There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give a big round of applause to our dear parents of the group, Mr. Gerson Pao and Mrs. Erlinda Pao. Thank you so much, Matt and Sir. Wow, that was a picture-perfect moment for our newlyweds. Let's give a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to our newlyweds. Thank you so much. And of course, if you think the dancing is over, it's not yet through. For this time, we can let this night pass without even having the traditional prosperity dance, or what we call the money dance. Okay? So don't you miss this chance to have a dance with our newlyweds. You do not only pin money through the envelopes. We're distributing envelopes now. And of course, you will only pin the envelopes on the sash, please. Dili na nato ipin, no? Sa sinina, or sa gown, or sa suit, or di lang ma-run pa, no? Please, pin the envelopes on the sash. Thank you so much. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Prosperity Dance. I am inviting first to the dance floor our principal sponsors. Don't worry everyone, let's do take turns. Okay, take turns but we will have first our principal sponsors. Everyone is invited. Principal sponsors, please feel free to come here in front to have a dance with our newlyweds. Isaganan muna. Nolan na rin sa Tubaka. Oh, I can see a pair heading towards our newlyweds. Thank you so much. Ayaw magkalimot na mo sayaw.